Hi guys, my name is Samuel, Super Forex Technical Analyst. Today we shall be looking at gold spot US dollar on the 1 hour time frame. And we shall be talking about double bottom. First and foremost, let's do the support, resistance level, and trend line. Resistance level that turned support, that was previously support. Nice. Now, a double bottom involves two distance low points located approximately on the same support price level. A double bottom has a W shape and indicates a bullish reversal after a bearish trend. Traders look for sell trades opportunities when price breaks the neckline. Let's do the double bottom pattern chart. Nice. Now this is the neckline. This here is the neckline. This is bottom one and this is bottom two. Now, the best buy entry for a double bottom pattern is after the price breaks the neckline and retests the neckline. Let me grab a pen here. Now, we can see the price breaks the neckline here, then retests the neckline, and this could be our entry trigger, entry point. This is our entry point here. Only look forward to make a buy trade after a confirmed double bottom. Number two, only enter the respective trade, either buy or sell, when the price breaks through the neckline of a double top or double bottom pattern. And lastly, for a better confirmation, before taking a trade, wait for the price to retest the neckline. This one here. Wait for the price to retest the neckline, then enter the market. I hope this works for you. Thank you so much for watching.